morning. We are the students of class 8 Coach, and today we are giving a presentation on cell and its organelles. Ma'am, this is a cell wall. It is thick, rigid and made up of cellulose in the plant cell. It gives shape and strength to the plant. It is called freely permeable membrane. Hence, it allows all the substances to enter and leave. It protects the cell from harsh conditions such as extreme temperature, moisture and strong winds.
Ma'am, I am cell membrane. It gives shape to the cell. It helps. It allows only certain substance to enter or leave the cells. Hence, it is called selectively permeable membrane. It is porous and flexible in nature. And it is called outer covering of cell. Thank you.
Mitochondria are powerhouse of the cell. They, during a cellular respiration, to release energy, glucose from a digested food to convert it into energy. They provide cells for aerobic respirations.
These are ribosomes. Ribosomes are spherical structures found scattered on the cytoplasm of animal and plant cells. These are present on the endoplasmic reticulum also. The functions of the ribosome is they take amino acid from the digested food and make it into proteins. Hence, they are called protein manufacturing units of the cell.
Ma'am, it is an endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of tube-like structure connecting the cell membrane and the nucleus. It is called transportation system of cell as it transports the substance within and across the cell. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are present, and in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are absent.
Ma'am, Golgi bodies are membrane sacs arranged parallel to each other. They are responsible for packaging of protein, thus they are called packaging factories of the cell. They are responsible for secretion of enzyme and formation of lysosomes.
Lysosomes are the membrane-bound sacs filled with the digestive enzyme. They are present in both animal cells and plant cells. They digest the old and damaged cells organelles, food particles, and the harmful microorganisms. When the cells are old and damaged, they burst out and release the digestive enzyme. This enzyme are called suicidal bag of the cells.
Ma'am, I am vacuole. They are hollow sacs present in the cell. These sacs are larger in plants while in animals. Just like we store food in containers, the cells store their materials in vacuole temporarily. In animal cells, the vacuole store food, waste and materials. In plant cells, they store water and keep it fresh.
Ma'am, this is a plastic. They are present only in plant cells. They are round and oval in structure. They contain pigments that play a specific role. They contain three pigments that play different role in plant. First is chloroplast. They contain green color pigment that is responsible for the green color of leaves and help in the preparation of food during photosynthesis. Thus, they are called the kitchen of the cells. Second is chromoplast. They contain non-green color pigment that gives color to flower and food. The third is leucoplast. That is colorless plastic that helps in store food such as starch, fat and proteins. Thank you.
Nucleus. It is known as brain of the cell. It has four parts: nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus and chromatin. Nuclear membrane. It is also it is same to the cell membrane. It allows entry and exit of the specific substance. Nucleoplasm. It is a fluid present in the nucleus. Chromatin. Chromatin is thread-like a structure present in the nucleoplasm. Nucleolus. It is known as spherical structure in the nucleus.